If you're considering Stripe for your dropshipping business, there are a few things you should know before making a decision. While it's a popular payment processor, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Stick with me as we go through what makes Stripe stand out and where it may fall short compared to other options. First thing, Stripe is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. Setting up an account is quick, and you can start processing payments almost immediately. This makes it an appealing choice for entrepreneurs who want an easy setup without a steep learning curve. However, when compared to competitors like PayPal or Square, it can sometimes feel less intuitive for beginners, as there are fewer pre-configured solutions for those new to the world of online payments. Next thing, Stripe's pricing is straightforward, with a standard 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for online payments. There are no hidden fees or setup costs, which is a relief. However, if you're working with a high volume of transactions or international customers, the fees can add up. Competitors like PayPal offer lower fees for certain transactions, so it's important to consider your specific needs. The third thing, Stripe supports over 135 currencies, which makes it a great choice if you're planning to expand your business internationally. However, other platforms like Payoneer might offer more competitive rates for cross-border payments, so be sure to check the specifics based on your target market. The fourth thing is Stripe's customer support. While Stripe provides 24/7 customer service, some users report that response times can be slow and support can sometimes be more technical than helpful. On the other hand, PayPal and Square are often praised for more responsive, user-friendly support, which could be an important factor depending on your business size. Next up, Stripe offers advanced fraud protection and security features, including encryption and two-factor authentication. This makes it a secure choice for processing payments. But when compared to competitors, Stripe's fraud protection might require more manual intervention to manage disputes or chargebacks, which could be a hassle for business owners without a dedicated support team. The sixth thing to consider is its compatibility with various platforms. Stripe integrates with many popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it a seamless choice for dropshipping businesses. However, some competitors like Square offer more out-of-the-box integration, which can be more convenient if you don't have a developer to help set things up. The seventh thing is Stripe's focus on developers. If you have coding experience or a development team, Stripe offers a lot of flexibility through its robust API. But if you're looking for an easy plug-and-play solution, you might find the customization options a bit overwhelming, especially when compared to more beginner-friendly platforms like PayPal. Next thing, Stripe allows you to create and manage subscriptions, which is an excellent feature for recurring payments, a common need in dropshipping. However, some competitors like Shopify Payments provide even more tailored subscription solutions, so you may want to explore which platform works best for your business model. The ninth thing to note is Stripe's transparency. You can easily access detailed reports, manage refunds, and track transactions in real time. This level of transparency is great, but compared to competitors like Square, Stripe's reporting features are slightly more complex, which could take more time to learn. The 10th thing is Stripe's flexibility with payment methods. It supports credit and debit cards, as well as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even Bitcoin in some cases. However, PayPal and other platforms might offer a wider range of payment methods with less setup involved. Next, Stripe is available in over 40 countries, which makes it an attractive choice for businesses with a global reach. But if you're operating in a country where Stripe isn't available, competitors like PayPal or Square might be more accessible, offering wider geographic coverage. The 12th thing is that Stripe isn't the cheapest option out there. While it's highly reliable and secure, businesses with lower transaction volumes may find cheaper alternatives, like Payoneer or Square, to be more cost-effective. It's important to assess whether the added features of Stripe justify the slightly higher fees. So, in summary, Stripe is a solid payment processing solution that offers great flexibility, international capabilities, and security features. However, if you're looking for lower fees, faster customer support, or a more beginner-friendly setup, there are other options that might serve you better. If you want a better option that you can try for free, check out our recommended solution. It could be the perfect fit for your dropshipping business.